Weight gain or an inability to lose fat is no different than any other symptom or health complaint. A headache, constipation, fatigue, weight gain, achy joints, they all can be the result of any combination of the wrong diet, wrong micronutrients, stress burden, unhealthy lifestyle, or toxic load. One person could have difficulty losing weight, and within 6 weeks, they could lose 20 pounds once they're eating right for their metabolic type and are taking their correct metabolic type supplements. Another person could feel significantly better in terms of energy and eliminating cravings, but may only lose 2 to 3 pounds within the same time frame. But when that second person works on balancing some of her underlying factors, such as toxic load and stress, then within a month of balancing those systems, she loses weight. A third person could also feel better with their metabolic type diet and program, but not lose weight until they get to phase 4 and discover they needed to heal their gut because the poor nutrient absorption was contributing to missing key nutrient cofactors. Only when they heal their gut will they be able to lose weight. The key is to understand that diet is just one factor that can contribute to weight gain. But make no mistake about it, diet is one super important factor because it's something that you do at least 3 times every day. Research shows that 80% of the time, losing weight is merely a matter of getting on the right foods for your body and consuming the right ratios of proteins, carbohydrates, and fat for your metabolic type. Metabolic typing is unlike anything else because it's so much more than a diet. It provides you with a system that starts with the right diet targeted to your body's needs and then provides you with a tool to determine the right macronutrient ratios for you at any given point in time. Since it's so much more than a diet, your metabolic typing program goes deep into providing you with tools and resources to get to the bottom of your weight loss and other health complaints. With over 40 years of research and over 100,000 satisfied clients and patients, you don't need to look any further than metabolic typing.